I came up with something new to make out of this scrubby yarn. It's very hard to use because of the way it's designed, but I found a way to make a pot scrubby out of it. It's really thick because it's 2 layers, and a dishcloth. Now, it's like I said, it's very hard to see with this dishcloth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one in the regular yarn like this, just show you how it goes together. Then I'll do a close-up on what you have to do in order to crochet it together, because this is crocheted on a size H hook, same with this little one. But it makes a great little gift set. Give me, maybe till this evening or tomorrow, but I will have everything all set up and ready to go. If you have some of this yarn already at home, go ahead and bring it out and you can kind of work along with me, because I will show some of the little tricks I've had to figure out in order to use this yarn to make something other than just a basic pot scrubby. This one you'll be able to see what you're doing.